It's snowing outside, Wilson. I love snowy days. Come on. Chugga chugga, Chuggington! Look, lots of lovely snowy snow. Does snow make it hard for trains to go around?
Nothing a super speedy chugger like me can't handle. Chugga chugga choo choo. Fastest chugger lasting through.
We're going so fast! Whoa!
Yeah, I know.
Speed is one way, but I use strength. You're really strong, Brewster.
Thanks, it's my thing.
Speed and strength are great, but I like to do things the fun way. See that snow on that signal?
You can't reach that, Wilson.
I can. Watch this. Snow problemo.
Great job, Snowblower Wilson.
You see, nobody clears snow like this train-tastic trio.
3 cheers for snow days.
Hip hip,